Mind-blowing Excel trick. Select field for data bar, apply merge and center. Go to borders, choose outside border. Select status field. Go to conditional formatting. Choose new rule. Go to format style, choose icon sets. Select show icon only and choose icon style. In type, choose number. Enter value as 1. Repeat the same for next one and enter value 0.5, press OK. Enter the value to check whether it is working or not. Go to the merged field, use COUNTIF formula as shown. Is equal to COUNTIF, select range. Comma, enter criteria as 1. Use COUNTA formula here. /COUNTA and select status range again. Press enter. Select cell. Go to the conditional formatting. Choose new rule. In format style, choose data bars. In type, choose number for both sides. Enter value as 1. Choose solid fill color as per your choice. Press OK. Enter your values in status. You can check that the data bar is working. Don't forget to hit the like button.